Hello, my name is Lindsay Chambers and I work in the School of Art and Design. And I'm just about to demonstrate a creative task that we have sent out to our National Saturday Art Club members and our Coventry sketchbook participants. Because whilst everybody's on shutdown, everybody's sort of in their homes, lots and lots of creative work is still happening in the School of Art and Design as we've moved our teaching to online. So this was a task that we sent out, and it was inspired by an artist that uses coffee and coffee stains to start drawing from. So obviously at home, most of you are likely to have some instant coffee. So if you take 2 or 3 tablespoons of instant coffee, put a couple of equal amount of water, probably a couple of tablespoons of sort of hot water over the top, and let it dissolve, and then you'll have a really nice thick sepia coloured ink, coffee ink to work with. And also look through your kitchen drawers. So whilst I do have a brush, I also have a skewer, I've got a tiny spatula, and I've also got an egg wash brush. So you can look through your kitchen cupboards to sort of find inspiration to create really lovely, interesting marks. So this drawing was a test piece I did of a chrysanthemum, and I did this yesterday. So if I'll just sort of demonstrate to you how I've done that. So just off screen I've got this is my inspiration, my original drawing that I did a while ago. So what I'll try and do is keep this off screen and replicate this drawing, so you can have a look and get some ideas on how you can start playing around with using perhaps slightly more inventive sort of ways of mark making and drawing. So obviously I'm got a camera in front of me, but you can sort of start to see that you can start dragging this sort of egg wash brush across the page to try and capture this sort of lovely dense nature of a chrysanth. You can start using the edge. I'm going to start using the spatula. So whilst this is unabsorbent, it actually carries quite a lot of ink on it, and you can get sort of quite nice broad marks by using the flat of the spatula as well as the edge. So it actually creates quite a nice mark. So just capturing the leaves. Allow it to be loose, don't over concentrate. These tasks are quick, and if they're quite quick and loose and you don't look too much and concentrate, sometimes you get the best work because you're not overthinking it and sort of spoiling it by trying too hard. You're allowing it to be loose and soft and gestural, and because of that, usually artists get their best work out of being quite quick, quite playful, and sort of allowing the tools to sort of distort how you usually would be very observational, perhaps as you would with a sort of a pen or a brush. So I'll try and get some bit of shading down here. What's also nice is if you allow this to dry, and then you can work back over the top of them to get even denser marks and sort of heavier line, and just to exaggerate the shading. There you go. I think that's it. Don't worry about drips and marks. That's all part of the beauty of a handmade, hand-drawn design. So I think I'm probably going to leave it there, but you get the idea that very quickly, out of cupboard inspiration, that you can create some really amazing drawings. So you shouldn't allow not having all the traditional materials in your house to stop you doing some amazing drawing. Okay, I can't stop now. I should stop. So I hope you found this interesting. I hope it's sort of given you some inspiration to use some coffee, use some unusual materials, and have fun playing around with what you've got in the house to allow yourself to have fun, relax, and take up some time that you've got because we're all at home. So bye for now.